What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the LyriFine electric scrubber, you guys. Yes, I reviewed an electric scrubber. I think it was like around the holiday seasons and stuff like that. But right now we have another one that landed in the office. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and have some fun. It looks very organized. Velcro. Then you have the bristles right there. So you get two of these. We got a brush right here. We have the other brush right here. Maybe you might use this in the toilet. And then you have the other cool brushes that you can get creative wherever you need to use it. All right, instructions. And then we have a quick start guide. I love the quick starts. Nice and colorful. Y'all see that? All right, if it looks good like that, I will not have to edit, but if I miss something, I will edit and put it in. We have a handle here. Then we have the scrubber head here. Wow. Ooh, it's nice and shiny. All right, right here you have your ports. USB Type-C. Boom, right there. Get your charger wire. Your box is trash. So I'm just gonna go ahead, shove it in. You guys, this stuff is self-explanatory. But I have been doing this for a while, so I'm kind of used to how these things operate. But I actually like this because it looks like you can use it like this. You can extend it, bring it back in, and then if not, you can take it back off. And if you just want to use it like this and clean stuff, clean your wall or whatever, you can just use this handle right here. You're not like forced to use two handles, so I like that. I'm gonna put that back in. Let's see if this have any life to it. Yep, it has some life to it. So we are going to go ahead and just hook one of these up, which will be the most popular one is right here, or probably the most used one in this household. So we're going to push it in. Okay, so right here you have a slot. All right, I don't know if y'all can see that, but you see the slot right there. All right, and then in here, you see where it got those two pins, right? Well, it's not really pins, but you can see where it's supposed to insert at right there. So got those two. So we are just gonna line it up and let's see. All right, so it's no snap or nothing. It just push it in and then that's it. So no snap, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. All right, so that's for power one. I'm gonna hit it again, and you do get a green light indicator right there. A little bit faster right there. And with that, you get like a yellow light. And then we're gonna hit it again, power off. There's not much to it when it comes to these scrubbers. Best thing I like about this for the price, this is nice because they give you many accessories that comes with this. I will go ahead and show y'all a little bit of cleaning and stuff like that. And you know, we'll just be done with it. And then in the instructions right here, it tells you what you can use each brush for. So let me see. Can y'all see it like that? Bada boom. Hopefully y'all can see it. If not, I will edit it in there. So they do give you a little string right there to hang it up. Kind of place your fingers right there. All right, so it's no rubber grip, you guys. All of this is plastic. So there's no cater to your comfort. All right, so I'm just kidding. I'm going to charge it up because I want it fully charged before I start using it. If I don't catch y'all while I use this, I will put a link in the description, and if not, y'all will see me cleaning a little bit, and then that will be all. One thing I did forget to show y'all was that this part right here is Velcro. So that's how you hook up your other pads right there. Press down and then you're good to go. Though you barely could see it, but there you go. All right, so if you want to hook your sponge or your rough pad right here, there you go. All right, friends. Just kidding. All right, you guys, so we have the scrubber right here, and I just want to show y'all this, that in my bathroom right here, this is my master bathroom. We have like 9-foot ceiling, I believe, and it reaches up nice and easy, you guys. Nice and easy, and I could do all my cleaning that I need to do. So I just wanted to show y'all that. So yeah, scrubber's good. I guess I'll show y'all some cleaning on some YouTube shorts or something. I don't know. But I don't think I need to do any cleaning for y'all right now. But I just wanted to show y'all that this thing do reach the height that it needs to reach for me. Other than that, that's it, you guys. So if you need to clean your bathroom, there you go. I love this thing, you guys. I love these scrubbers. This is the best thing. You want to clean the inside of your toilet bowl. I know people are going to be like, oh, I wouldn't reuse it anywhere else. Okay, that's why you got different brushes and stuff. So, you know, sanitary. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns about this electrical brush, put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.